Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 19. And our prompts for this week is image of a ladder of stairs, and I've got these stairs right here. Something that starts with the letter F. I have got this frog, a butterfly. I have got these three. Of course, this one is probably a moth. They may be. I don't know. I know the butterfly's antenna are longer. And we have got an archaeological find or treasure. So I've got this statue. And the we need fiber, yarn, or string. So I've got this little piece of leather string. And the bonus is stripes. So that's my background paper. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this down so I can get it out of my way. Well, I hope everybody's having a wonderful Sunday. Mine is, I don't know what it is, but my Saturday's going pretty good. I'm doing this Saturday afternoon. And let's see here. I think first I'm just going to ground my picture and use it there. So let me get the scissors. I really didn't know what to do with fiber or string that would really kind of go with my picture. So first of all, I want to go ahead and lay these down first. There's not a whole lot going on with me. I don't know why. It seems like every Friday I just don't feel good. My husband's off on Thursday. I don't know if it's just because I'm out of routine or what. I can't blame him, but I don't know what the deal is. Okay, I want to put that statue just kind of in the front there. Yeah, on Fridays, I have been doing the, hosted by Gwen the Trash Witch, the Flip Through Friday, but I just haven't had anything to flip through. I am behind on the Junk Journal Madness Journal, and we're on a new month, so I really need to get cracking on it. It's an idea journal, and it's just getting everything together. Okay. Now, I'm not real keen. Oh, let me go ahead and get this down at the bottom. So I just figured I'd kind of ground it a little bit. I meet the prompt. Doesn't really add a whole lot to it, but it doesn't take away from it either. Okay. Now, I'm not too keen with him hitting that dog with a stick, even though that dog's attacking him. I'm going to kind of cover that up. I'd much rather think of the dog being happy to see him, and he's just kind of protecting himself in a way. So I am just going to kind of put that butterfly like that. And we'll have this frog just kind of going up the steps. At least I'm back to Sunday. I'd rather have my Margarete Miller on a Sunday, but the weekends is hard for me to, I get caught up in other things. My sweet sons gave me my Mother's Day early today. They gave me the 4th illustrated Harry Potter book, Goblet of Fire. My oldest son read them to me. Read them with me. And so they had started giving me the books years ago. And for some reason, we kind of got out of it. And I mentioned a while back about wanting the next one. And they got it for me for Mother's Day. And I'm so excited. I love it. These are the illustrated ones. And they're real big books. And so I'm so happy to get that. And they gave me a $75 gift card to Amazon. So had it spent before it grew, before an hour was up. I had that spent. And I'm excited. I went ahead. Every year, I always want the Tim Holtz Christmas, you know, the little people and the little bits and pieces that for Christmas. And the book that's got a lot of the Christmas sayings, like, you know, you have your small talk and things. But it's by Christmas, you know, or right around then, we never have the money. That's when you start buying your Christmas gifts and you have all this stuff coming due, and so I end up not getting it. So this time they had them on Amazon, so I went ahead and got them. And I mentioned, I think in my last video, I've been wanting that triangle bone folder, so I got that too. So I'm excited about those. And I got a Marry Me Art flower book, and I'll have something to flip through, although I'm sure it's been done quite a few times, but not by me. And, you know, sometimes you forget what's in the book till you see. This one is for art collage, you know, so I think it's some more of the bigger flowers. I see it on Gail Augustinelli's. She uses it a lot, and I want to do more art journaling. I miss art journaling. So I am kind of giving up. Like I pretty much quit doing the Amy's of Crafty Cat, her 50 stack challenge. I love it, but I guess I've done all 8. This the 8. I haven't done them all. I've done most of the last few, but it's just this one I'm just having a really tough time, and it's nobody's fault. It's just I think I'm burned out on it from doing it so long, because it's like cactus. I'll never use a cactus in my work. It's great if I was doing Susan, if I Totally Love It, Texas two-step, that would be perfect, but I'm not doing that, and I'm getting away from the journal making and the things that I want to do there, so I'm backed off that, and I have picked back up the glue book from Nancy Piter, because I love glue booking, and I got away from that. So I'm happy now to see. I may come back to it, but right now crafting should be fun. It shouldn't be something you dread doing. And although I love Amy's challenge, and I've done them, like I said, for the this is the number 8, and I was there from the beginning. So I'm taking a break from it. I may pick it back up and jump back in. Okay, let's see what we've got. I've got the image of ladder or stairs, something that starts with the letter F. I've got my frog, butterfly. I've got the archaeological find or treasure. I've got that. And I've got fiber, yarn, a string. I've got this leather string. And the bonus is the stripes, and I've got the stripes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, I love you. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP19 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. And once again, I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all. Y'all have a great week.